Hello everyone, Vicky from BioMonde here, and I'm just hopping on to answer another one of your questions. And today that question is, what days and times do we deliver? Here at BioMonde we offer a next day delivery service because, as I'm sure you're aware, maggots do not live on the shelves. So we will deliver to you Monday through Saturday, and we normally aim to get deliveries to you by midday. Of course, at time to time there will be delays in delivery, and if that does happen then we will contact you directly to make sure you're aware of how long the delay will be. As long as there hasn't been any delays in delivery, the maggots can be stored at room temperature until midnight the next day, which means in theory you can apply your maggot therapy any day of the week. Well, I hope that answered that question for you. If you like this video, don't forget to follow us on here and all our other platforms, and you can always ask more specific questions to us directly through our email or telephone. See you all next week.